Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning to install a bypass for the start-stop setting that I have on my Cupra Formentor. This is the kit that I got. Comes with a little key, a plastic pry bar. It looks like this. It's called start-stop Shutoff. It has this little battery that will remember the settings. So as you know, when you start your vehicle, the vehicle doesn't remember your settings. For example, if you're on driver profile, always start with comfort. What about if I want to keep it for individual? Because under individual I can use the eco mode for the driving. What about under smart assistance? I want to have the start stop system deactivated and also the lane assist deactivated. So as you know, when you turn off the engine and start again, your settings will go back to default, which is under driver profile you have comfort mode, and under smart assistance you have start stop system activated, lane assist activated. I want to see that this will help me deactivate those settings. Since I'm going to disconnect the ECU, also have to disconnect the battery by removing the negative terminal. I'm going to use this little pry bar to keep it away from the battery. The installation is pretty simple. I have to remove the factory harness, install it into this plug, then this into the factory harness. To unlock, you simply press those black tabs and then pull that purple locking system like this. So on the driver's side you have to reach all the way in the back up there, not these ones here, not this one, there is another one. I hope I can film that though. There's a vent here that is blocking the view, but it's pretty. Is it here? This is the one. Perhaps you can see I got that one out. Right here. Let's install the new one. It's almost impossible to film in detail. But anyway, I got that installed. Just gonna show you, have an idea how it looks like. So we're gonna use some zap straps to secure it. Make sure that it's all locked. Yeah, now it's locked. Let's give it a try. Then I'm gonna secure it with some zap straps. Now let's reconnect the battery. And there is some errors. Okay, let's see what we got now. Ignition. Yes, start system is deactivated. Yes. Okay. It works. Smart assistance. Yes, it remembered the settings. Start, stop system off, lane assist off, the driver profile is on comfort, but okay, so the driver profile doesn't work, but at least I get the start stop system off and lane assist off. So let's check this out again. Now if I wanna go on driver profile and keep it on individual, then I go to smart assistant, start system off completely, lane assist is off. Let's stop the engine now. See, it's completely gone. You can't even touch it anymore. That works. But let's see if it acts as a memory for other functions. Okay, let's try now. Start stop system is deactivated. What about my other settings? Driver profile, that's still on comfort, so it doesn't remember this setting on the driver profile. It doesn't remember that I choose the individual, but under smart assistance it only remembers the start stop system. Yeah, so this specific hardware that I got, it's only for the start stop system, which is all I need. I'm happy it works. Told you the issue that I had, and you might gonna have in time with the engine, the transmission, and with the battery. In my case, in less than 3 years I had to change the battery, so for me this is a plus. I got them on eBay. Simply search bypass start stop module for Seat Leon MK4 Cupra Formentor 2024, and you have plenty of options to choose from. They have to look like this. Thank you for watching, guys.